Good morning. I'm First to Know meteorologist Ryan Gold. Starting off dry, comfortable, a little clear. I think we're going to get a lot cloudier later on for these next few hours. But overall, I don't think it's going to be too shabby to start. Temperatures already in the upper 60s in Tallahassee, 60s for the most part. The only area that's not is Cross City, still at 70. Coolest right now in Bainbridge at 63. Very cool, very comfortable. Dew points are way down as well. It's fairly dry. We do have a lot more moisture closer to the Gulf, hence Cross City is still at 70 with that 68-degree dew point, but still not too bad. You step outside and it really does feel like fall. Like I mentioned, we're going to have more clouds later on. A few clouds can build over the next few hours, but I would still say it's mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and that's pretty much the trend all day long. Temperatures hanging out in those mid-80s. That's going to be the case from the last few days. It's going to be the case the next couple days as well. Really not going to be seeing much change with that. Even as that rain comes through for this weekend, it might dip temperatures down a bit, but not by anything really substantial. So we're keeping an eye out in the tropics. Nothing has really formed. Nothing will likely form anytime soon. We're keeping an eye on this disturbance right here because that could actually be our next weather maker. As it moves towards the north over the course of the weekend, we might be able to see some more heavier rain, especially in the later parts of Sunday, and we need it. That severe drought has been extended now. It updates every Thursday. So yesterday we saw the severe drought now reach through most of South Georgia and along to I-10. The rest of our area is now in moderate drought, so we need this rain, and we're luckily going to end up getting it. Not so much today. Today's still a calmer one. We'll still have plenty of sunshine at times, the mix of sun and clouds. Possible light showers rolling through by around 3 o'clock, gone by around 7 and 8 o'clock. They're just going to be very random, very small, brief showers. They're not really going to amount to much. What will amount to much is what we're going to see starting Saturday and then on through Sunday and Monday. So it's going to start up around 2 o'clock near Cross City, moving over the waters of the Gulf, could end up causing some marine issues or special marine warnings. We'll likely see that gain strength as it heads through Tallahassee around 4 o'clock. We're likely going to end up seeing that push off to the northwest by the later parts of the day. So it could impact the game for tomorrow against Miami, but otherwise I don't see any major problems. We'll likely be okay despite the rain and storms. No severe weather.